Welcome to Dump It Dumpster Rentals, your premier destination for efficient and reliable dumpster rental in Hooksett, New Hampshire. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, remodeling your kitchen, or overseeing a primary construction site, we have the perfect dumpster size to handle the job. Our experienced team is dedicated to providing exceptional service from start to finish. We'll work closely with you to determine the right dumpster size for your needs. We also offer expert advice on waste management best practices to ensure your project runs smoothly. When you choose Dump It Dumpster Rentals, you can trust that your dumpster will be delivered on time and picked up promptly upon request. With competitive pricing and flexible rental options, Dump It Dumpster Rentals is the preferred choice for dumpster rental in Hooksett, New Hampshire, and the surrounding areas. But don't just take our word for it. Join the countless satisfied customers who have made Dump It Dumpster Rentals their go-to choice for dumpster rental in Hooksett, New Hampshire. Ready to get started? Call us at 603-366-1511 or visit our website at www.dumpitdumpsterrentals.com. Dumpster Rental Hooksett NH to reserve your dumpster today. Dump It Dumpster Rentals, your trusted partner in waste management.